Hey there viewers, have you ever wondered how to restore your vaginal pH balance overnight? Well, you're in the right place because today, I've got some quick tips that could change the game for you. Stick around to find out more. Understanding pH balance is vital for your overall wellness. Your body's pH levels can impact everything from digestion to your skin condition. But did you know it's particularly crucial for women's health? Imbalanced pH levels in the vagina can lead to discomforts like bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. So, how can you restore your pH balance effectively overnight? First off, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute your body's acidity and maintain a healthy pH. Also, your diet matters. Including alkaline foods like bananas, oranges, and coconut water can help restore pH balance. But here's the trick. Limit your sugar and alcohol intake as they create an acidic environment. Another game changer? Probiotics. They can be found in yogurt, sauerkraut, and supplements. Probiotics restore the beneficial bacteria in your body, maintaining that healthy pH balance. Plus, be cautious about what you use. Certain products like scented soaps or tampons can disrupt vaginal pH. Opt for breathable cotton underwear and unscented products to help restore and maintain a healthy pH balance. Now that you know these quick remedies, are you ready to take control of your pH balance? Remember, if you're experiencing persistent symptoms, it's crucial to consult a doctor. Long-term maintenance includes lifestyle modifications, regular checkups, and awareness about what impacts your pH balance. Stay tuned with us for more valuable insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.